one thing to remember about a concussion, as miserable and as difficult the symptoms feel when you have just been concussed, the key thing to remember is that you will go back to normal and that you will recover fully. You may also have multiple concussions over the course of your lifetime. Please do not worry about long-term effects of having multiple concussions. Most people recover fully even after having several concussions. However, what we always recommend is that if you've had a concussion, please report it. Please monitor your symptoms, because not monitoring your symptoms and going back to activity too soon can simply prolong recovery and can also make you question whether you've recovered fully or not, because you're unsure if the symptoms are related to concussion or are related to other factors that could be contributing to your concentration or memory problems. But overall, most people will recover fully. And don't forget, you're not alone when you have a concussion. Please consult with your parents. Please report it to your teachers or athletic trainers. And please tell about your concussion to your friends who you trust. Chances are that if you've had a concussion, so did your friends. Talking about concussion symptoms normalizes your experience, and you might find out that other people have gone through the same thing that you're going through. So please talk about the symptoms, because it may help someone else.